Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You're gonna be an astronaut. You're gonna be an astronaut. Yes, you are. Oh, we're gonna be an astronaut.
I was so truly surprised. That was a joyful moment.
Yes. Oh, which way? Where are you going? Are you coming over here? Yes. Oh, there's your dad. What's your dad doing?
It's about showing the world who you are. When you see someone get knocked out in a race, in sports, in life, in the Olympics.
Yoda's at a back again. Is he gonna get shot?